So here is where I planted my hops. You can see there's a ring, goes around, and there's 6 plants. Alright, if you can see the mulch here, that is where I have the hops planted. I bought 6 different varieties, and I'll put them in the comments what they are. But basically the setup here is there is a circle of 6, and in the center where that stake is will be a pole with a raisable thing like a flagpole that could raise something up that has cables that goes to each one of these plants. Basically makes a teepee. This one's doing pretty good. Not sure what variety it is. I haven't put any little signs up. This one hasn't sprouted, not sure if it made it. If not, we'll replace it. This one's not doing too hot after transplanting. I think it's just root damage.